Hi guys, welcome back to the your own channel guys. So we can some of these few points we can firstly talk, and at the end I will tell you the biggest myth of the trading in forex and stock market. Okay guys, in risk to reward management guys, you have to define your risk guys. Okay guys, because of that guys, if you can manage the risk management, okay guys, the risk management, then you can sustain more in the market. If you sustain more in market, so market will teach you guys, so they will indirectly gives you the hints how it will behave, how it works, when you have to trade, when you have to not trade, when you have to exit. Okay guys, like this type of you have to see that your risk to reward management. Okay guys, because of if you take the bigger risk and your risk to reward is very small, then you can automatically get out from the whichever market in forex or stock market. Okay guys, you have to see that your risk, okay guys, if your risk is small and risk reward ratio is very high, that is very good risk to reward. Okay guys, that time you have to fix your risk guys. If you are trading with the $100, okay guys, just supposingly $100 is your trading amount, so you have to take your only $5 as a risk. Okay guys, as a risk your $5. Okay guys, after all the thing is that if you risk the $5 only and your risk to reward is $10 or $15, 1:3 or 1:4, 1:2, at least 1:2 is must. Okay guys, at least 1:2. Okay guys, so if you take trade, okay guys, if you take a $5 trade, after that if you fail the two times, three times, okay guys, three times you have failed, four times you have won, so you have got 1:3, means whatever you have lost that money you have recovered. So this is the risk management guys. You have to specify your risk. What is your risk for today, what is risk for this week, this month, like this. If your capital is growing, then you can take that $100 become your $200, so now you can take the $10 as a risk. Like this you have to manage your risk. Okay guys, how to trade, it is the very good thing is that how to trade, what is your time frame. Okay guys, here I will show you one thing is that you can see that 1 second, 5 second, 30 second, these are useless for you right now guys. Okay guys, this is the for scalping, but you are not a scalper right now because you don't know any market right now. So your best time frame for forex is 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay guys, in stock market it will be the 5 minutes. Okay guys, that 1 minute also the trader will seen that thing, but the thing is you are right now in a beginning stage. So in beginning stage you have to see that you have to manage your risk. Okay guys, you have to manage your risk, so it will be good if you take the bigger picture. Okay guys, bigger scenario. Okay guys, so that's why I am telling you that if you don't take in stock market only, 1 minute time frame will be not suitable, 5 minutes time frame is good for you guys for beginning. Okay guys, in expert mode, if you 2 to 3 years given to the market, then you are become expert, you can trade in 1 minute, 1 second, whatever you want. Okay guys, at that time you have your own money which you have grown with the small capital, so you know better at that time. So in forex I think 1 hour to 30 minutes is preferable, because this is the your beginning and bigger scenario will gives you the more clarity. That's why you have to trade at the 1 hour or 30 minutes, and in stock market you can go for 5 minutes or 15 minutes, that will be the preferable for you. Okay guys, when to trade, at the some of the trader will trade at the forex in a news. Okay guys, it will be the good, I am not telling that it will be the bad that in news day you cannot trade. You have to trade, but you have to remember that your analysis is more perfect than the news is coming, because chart will tell you within that 1 to 2 days earlier only that market will how behave. Because you can go and check out my analysis, whenever news is coming, at that time I never gonna do any analysis. 1 week at the Sunday only I will do the analysis, and whole week I will stick with that only, because that chart will show you the more than anything. Okay guys, because of sentiment, it may be the happen that in a stock market, in sentiment, maybe the happen that in 1 day only 2 to 3% gap down happen, but in forex or crypto it will never happens. Okay guys, in that weekend is over, then you can close your terminal and just sit, relax and enjoy your day. You can take your trade on Monday and finish it on a Friday, so you will be the more happier at that time. Okay guys, so the thing is that guys, you have to see, because bigger player, what do you know, that they know the insider trading, what we call is that. Okay guys, so insider trading, what they can do is that they have a news from inside. So in inside news only, what they do is that they can making a position way before earlier when the news is coming, because at the news is flashing, they are making up more money and more risk to reward they are getting, because of, you know, that if something is bad news is coming. Okay guys, just take a look up like that US market or any market whichever you can see. Okay guys, in that place, that forex news is coming negative. So what a bigger player can do is that they already know that news, so they are simply making a small quantities. Small means also they are playing like a 30%, 20% at placing at the way before 1 day or 2 days before only they are making their positions. Okay guys, at that time only, after the news flashes, they are invested that after the whatever their 50% money is remaining, that also they can invest. Okay guys, invest in the sense trade. Okay guys, after that their risk to reward, you cannot imagine what their risk to reward is. You can shop, but I will not tell you, because of this is not our bigger risk to reward taking or bigger money we have. Whatever we have to trade with that. So they can, I will just approximately tell you, they can make a millions of that day. Okay guys, that for news. So they know that the insider trading, so that's why we are the retail traders, so we don't know anything. So we have to stick with our analysis. One weekly analysis you have to done. Okay guys, I will also post, please go and check out that too, or you can make your analysis and compare with myself. Okay guys, you can see that some physiology or something and some minor mistakes also there, so you can find out or tell me in the comments, or you have any queries, comment me down. I will separately made you for that video and post it for you. Okay guys, and you can see that. So that's why you have to not to worry about it, you have to stick with your analysis. If one SL also hit it, so what happened, just your $50 means your account is $1000, so just $50 will lose, you can lose the $50. So what happened in that, nothing will happen for $50. Okay guys, because of all the all the day, all the week, you can make such a good money, because your analysis is at a bigger time frame, so you don't have to worry all about it. Okay guys, in time frame uses, I have just discussed only earlier also, so we cannot discuss about this. Just a second, just I will tell you once again. So in stock market, you have to choose 5 minutes or 15 minutes guys in stock market, remember, because of that 1 minute or that in 30 seconds, that will not work for you, because you are beginner. So you have get experience like 3 to 4 years, then you can switch it on in no problem. Okay guys, after that, in forex you have to see that 30 minutes or 1 hour, because of 30 minutes or 1 hour gives you the biggest picture and clarity. So you have to say for that 1 hour or 30 minutes only. Okay guys, so in we can discuss the risk to reward ratio. You can know that guys, in risk to reward, you have to achieve at least 1:2. Okay guys, 1:2, but I can tell you one thing, you have to achieve 1:3. Okay guys, why I'm telling you, because 1:2 means if you lose 3 trades, Okay guys, you won one trade, then also you become in a loss only. Okay guys, so that we don't want. We want the 1 is to 3, at least 1 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is not bad guys, I am telling you, it is also good, but you have to try for 1 is to 3 guys. 1 is to 3 you will have that. The thing is that 1 is to 3 you have got. So if you loses the 3 trades also, then also 1 trade you will be become successful, then that 3 trades whatever loss has been made you, so that become a recovery. Okay guys, after that 1 trade also you have made, then you have got 1 is to 3. More than that, you have to see that 1 is to 3 is minimum. You have to go for maximum 1 is to 5, 6, 7. It has no limit, but you have to see the time frame. Okay guys, I will not tell you that in forex only you have to take 30 minutes or 1 hour. You can take a 5 minutes time frame also, but when you have to take a risk smaller. Okay guys, you have to take a small risk and your risk to reward will be the bigger. But at the initial stage, don't go for it. But if you think that you are become an expert, or you are trading for a 6, 7, 8 or 10 months ago, so you know that the how the market will behave. So whatever I will show you the support or resistance area when they are turning around. Okay guys, they are turning around at that place. I will just show you like this. Okay guys, this I have told you that this is becoming a one of the major supporting area. So it will came downside and once again it goes upside. So at here somewhere at this place only you have to buy. Okay guys, at this place you have buy and your SL will be somewhere here, and you can see that at 5 minutes time frame you have taken this trade. This is your risk and your reward ratio is up till here. So you can see that your risk is 1 and your risk to reward is 1 is to 4 to 1 is to 5. Like this you have to see the trade, and your psychology will also affect. So be calm and don't worry about it, because you have fixed your risk. Okay guys, first you have to stick with your analysis. Most important thing is please stick with your analysis. Don't go for news or something. Okay, except the stock market, because stock market will be closed, because 7 to 8 hours it will work, and after that it will close, and after that on next day only it will, at the morning it will open. So bigger gap up gap down will happen. So we do not take any trades at that time. Mostly the intraday trader will square off only that thing. Okay guys, in forex it is not there that it is 5 days journey. So it is 24 hours it will continuously work. No gap or gap down will be there you can find. So like this you have to stick with your trading. Okay guys, second thing is that you have to know your risk to reward management. Okay guys, risk to reward. Okay guys, this is the main thing. And next is time frame. You have to see the your time frame guys. That I have told you that I will tell you biggest myth guys. I have seen some of the Instagram or some of the other thing, other social medias also guys. You can check out my telegram channel also guys, and my Instagram channel also. I will also post there some of the my nicest analysis, so you can check out there also. So I am seeing that guys, they are doing trade within a 1 second, and their risk to reward is 1 is to 15, 1 is to 20. Okay guys, okay, they are here only. I am seeing you can see here 1 second trade. They are doing within a 15 seconds, they are earning 15 to 20%, 20 risk to reward. Means if your loss is $5, their reward is 1 is $5 is their risk, then their reward is $50, $70, like this their risk to reward. So don't go for that fake thing guys. They are totally fake, because they do not show you ledger, because ledger account anybody do not show you anything like that. So don't go for that thing guys, I'm telling you, because nobody gonna trade like that. If that is possible, please tell me also. I will also join their groups. Okay guys, I will also take some of the money, but I want that the ledger there, how they have traded, when they have traded, and their amount is coming or not, their bank statement. I wanted to know that, because in within a 1 week they trade, within a 5 days are there, so they can trade one is with 5 days, one trade also they have taken. Okay guys, their risk is $5,000 also there. Then they can earn within 1 week $250, $250,000. Okay guys, that I wanted to see in their bank account if they have made that much money. So I am happily join their whatever they can, um, taking the money or subscription, whatever they can take, $1,000, $2,000, I am happily give and join there. If you found that like some thing, please comment down, I will also join guys. So this is just a fake thing, whatever that 1 second trade 1 is to 15 they have taken, that is just a fake thing. Do not worry about it. This is the social media guys. Here is the thing is, you have know that social media is just a fake thing, so do not go for it guys. I'm telling you with the warm heartedly guys, because I know that the how retailer earn their harder money. That's why I don't charge anything, or I have not made any courses or sort of thing, because of I wanted to, you have to learn and make a money, and not go for that social media thing. That is totally a fake thing. So please guys, if you hope that you wanted to become a trader in forex or stock market or crypto anything, so please join my channel, so you can get the idea how you have to trade and when you have to trade. Okay guys, share with your friends and family whoever uh, wanted to become trader or investor. So I will also post the nicest videos. And also, if you like this video guys, please hit the like button guys. Thank you guys.